So we're back with another video, man. And I came out this morning, I seen that some of this was coming up. I kind of know why, but then I don't know why. I think it was because I waited to put the staples in on this one after I did the first bit of resin. So when I pulled the staple gun up, it lifted it up a little bit, but I'm guessing that's how that came out. But I'm pretty sure I fixed it with the fiberglass. But this one right here came out pretty decent for my first door. I'm not disappointed about it at all. But they still kind of wet still, so I'm gonna give them another day to cure 100% before I go to the next step. But yeah, man, that's what's going on so far. But we about to go check out the Cadillac, see what's going on with the Cadillac, and then we gonna go from there. Man, so I know it's been a long time since y'all seen her, but I'm gonna give y'all a little update of what's going on, what's been up with her, and what's new with her, and try to get y'all back updated on it. Cause I've been slacking, but I'm back on the grind now. Ain't no more slacking. I recently had to get a new battery for it. Man, I gotta get a new battery for it, but other than that, need to get that trimming part fixed, cause that's just ugly. Yes, I did get the doors filled, but these are not the speakers I am gonna run. I decided, man, keep spending all this unnecessary money, and this is the last time.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry.
More amp, but I traded a guy for the 1200.1, so it was a good trade, on my behalf. But hey, I need, for my back door speakers, I'm running 2 8s in each one, like I was telling you before. Hello? So I'm gonna end up probably selling, or no, I probably won't sell it. I'll probably end up just ordering me 2 more 3Ks. Or I might just say forget it and order me a 5K, 4K, I don't know. I'm figure it out. But it's gonna be sounding good, man. Gotta get it cleaned up. Holler at my homeboy to see if he come through and clean it. It's shut. I did it. This is not the final step. This is just testing and make sure everything fits and closes good. I am gonna probably trim off an inch of my seat back here on each side to make, just to give it a little bit more clearance. But it fit. That's it, baby. So I came out to test fit and make sure everything was legit and was gonna go good, and everything is clearing great from what I'm seeing so far. Let's try it again, show y'all on camera. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that, boy. I'm telling you, it's gonna be woo. Game time, game time.